Here are the two new Apple Watches with the most powerful chip ever made by the Apple Silicon, and a new way to use the watch without touching it, along with a twice as bright display. These are the latest and most revolutionary upgrades in this series. Before we dive in, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. For this series, they introduced the brand new S9 chip. The Apple Silicon makes this Series 9 more capable, intuitive and faster with its new dual-core CPU. They have introduced a new gesture feature, the double tap. This feature makes your Apple Watch much easier to use, especially when your hands are not free. Simply double tap your index finger and thumb together to answer a call, play and pause music, start or stop a timer, reply to messages, and even check your smart stack. The Series 9 boasts a display that is 2 times brighter than the Series 8. It boosts the maximum brightness up to 2000 nits in sunlight and reduces to minimum brightness 1 nit in low light situations. With the Series 9, Siri can quickly and securely process requests on device. It can process requests offline within the device, allowing you to inquire about your health data and log information among other things. These series have a ultra-wideband chip that enables new integration with HomePods. When music is playing, the Apple Watch opens the Now Playing screen, allowing you to control it. And it can also help you precisely locate your iPhone. And all the health related features remains the same as the previous generation watches. Now, let's talk about the Watch Series Ultra 2. It features the same S9 chip and double tap gestures as seen in the Series 9. However, the build quality, display and battery differ from the model. The Watch Ultra 2 has 49mm lightweight titanium case with water resistance up to 100 meters. It boasts the biggest and brightest display ever with 3000 nits of brightness. It also dims to 1 nit in low light situations and the night mode activates automatically. Additionally, it comes with a bigger battery that can last up to 36 hours of normal usage, which is larger than the Series 9. That's it for the today guys. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.